Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the requirement and process for getting admission in bachelor degree in Germany. The admission in bachelor degree in Germany depends on the curriculum that you have attended in your school. Some curriculums are accepted for direct admission in bachelor degree, whereas most of the curriculums are not considered equivalent with the German school leaving certificate. Therefore, the students whose high school diploma or certificate is not accepted for direct admission in bachelor degree in Germany, they are given one option to attend a foundation course, and we will see that what is the foundation course or Studienkolleg and how you can apply for this. On this side I have listed all the steps that you have to follow, and your target is to start a bachelor degree in Germany. This can be in English language, English plus German language, or in completely German language. Now you are somewhere here, you have completed your high school diploma or certificate in your home country. Now you are required to learn German language until B1 level or B2 level, and once you have completed this B1 or B2 level of German language, then you have the option to complete the foundation course or Studienkolleg. And once you have completed the foundation course or Studienkolleg, you are entitled to apply for admission in bachelor degree and start bachelor degree in Germany. Now this looks very simple, but it has a lot of complications. There are a lot of ifs and buts in that, and we will see that what are the two possible options to achieve this target. Now the first option is listed here and the second option is listed here. The first step is to apply for a bachelor degree. So you have to select the bachelor course at a public university, and have to see that what is the application process for applying to that bachelor degree. The application process can be direct application, which means that on the website of university there will be a portal through which you can send your application to the university. Again, there will be two options. Either the university will say that you only apply through the soft copies of your documents, and the second option university can give you is to upload the documents on the university portal and then send the attested documents to the university through post. The exact process will be mentioned on the university's website. Now the second option is to apply via Uni Assist. Now most of the universities have hired this Uni Assist, which is a third body which that evaluates the application documents from the international students, and then they decide whether you qualify for the admission or not. Now if you have completed only high school diploma of or certificate of your home country, then the outcome here will be that you do not qualify for the direct admission in bachelor degree in Germany, and you have to do the foundation course. Now if at the time of application you have already learned B1 or B2 level of German language and you have enclosed this document in your application, whatever the application process you are following here, you will be given an invitation to take part in the entrance exam of foundation course or the Studienkolleg. And if you haven't learned B1 or B2 level of German language at this particular stage, then your application will be rejected and you will be asked to complete at least B1 or B2 level of German language in your home country, so and apply again for bachelor degree so that you can be given invitation into the entrance exam of foundation course. Because this Studienkolleg is conducted in German language, therefore it has an entrance exam, and entrance exam will be in German language. Therefore it is prerequisite that you learn B2 or B1 level of German language in your home country and then apply for bachelor degree. So the entrance exam will check your level of German language and also one or two subjects depending on whether you want to study engineering, medicine, business or social science. So if you are going to study engineering, for example, they will also ask the questions related to mathematics. The level of difficulty will be same that you usually have during your 11th and 12th grade, but the exam questions will be asked in German language, and the German language that you learn during B1 and B2 level of German language, they usually provide you the language skill for your daily life. But here in the entrance exam, you will also be asked subject specific questions. So alone B1 and B2 will not be sufficient to pass the entrance exam. And the challenge here is that every university has almost 20, 25 or 30 seats for the foundation course, and the number of applicants can be 10 times or 20 times of the number of seats. Therefore, what the university will do is that they will rank the students based on their performance in the entrance exam, and if you have performed really well and you are among the top 20, 25 or 30 students depending on the number of seats, then you will be given admission in the foundation course. Otherwise you will be rejected. So you have to really perform very well in the entrance exam of foundation course. If you are admitted, then you have to take part in the foundation course and study for 6 months or for 1 year. Now the German universities have started offering 6 months foundation course. I have made one video regarding the public universities which are offering 6 months of foundation course. You can watch that video, but most of the universities still offer 1 year foundation course, so you can save your 6 months if you go to the foundation course in public universities without tuition fee. Whether you go for 6 month foundation course or 1 year foundation course, you have to take one FSP exam, and FSP exam is called Feststellungsprüfung. This exam will test your knowledge, what you have studied during the foundation course, and you also have to perform really very well so that you can be given admission in the bachelor degree. Now, once your FSP certificate is available, then you have to apply again for the bachelor degree of your interest, and here you have to again check whether the application process is of the university you are applying for is direct or it is through UniAssist. And here you see that you have applied twice, but in this process the first application is just a formality, but the second application is the real application, and the course you will apply to here, that will, you can start only that course. But here you have the option that you, if you want to study mechanical engineering but the time you completed your high school diploma there is no intake for the mechanical engineering, so you can apply for electrical engineering or any other engineering program. As long as it is engineering program, you can apply for it. You can also apply for computer science programs, for example, or IT programs, but you should not be applying for the business programs or social science programs. Now, the second approach is that you apply for a bachelor degree. Here you have to follow the same step what I have explained here. You have to see whether the application is direct or via UniAssist. And then after applying, you will get one response definitely if you, and that response will depend on whether you have B1 level of German language or not. But then instead of getting this invitation and following this approach, you have the option to complete the language courses if you haven't done it until then, and a Studienkolleg in a private institute. There are a number of private institutes which are offering foundation course and language courses, so you can complete there. And the advantage here is that there is no entrance exam at the Studienkolleg or foundation course if you do it at a private institute, but you have to pay a fee, and that fee may vary from one institute to another institute. Roughly it's around 4,000 to 6,000 euros. It can be more, it can be less, but the average is 4,000 to 6,000 euros. That is the drawback, but here you can save your time and effort that you have to put here. If you don't qualify the entrance exam of one Studienkolleg, you have to search for the others, and in this you may also lose some time. So you can set your own priorities, whether this one or this one. Now the drawback here is that these private institutes are not entitled to conduct the final exam FSP of the foundation course. To take the FSP exam, you have to appear as a private candidate in the public universities or the public Studienkollegs. So here there is some switching from private institute to public Studienkolleg, but that is only for taking the exam. You complete all your content or the syllabus of Studienkolleg at a private institute. It is just like academies in your home countries, where you can get the coaching and then take the exam of some government institutes. Similarly, you get the coaching here at a private institute and then take the exam of Studienkolleg as a private candidate in public universities. And after that, if you have passed that exam, you can apply for bachelor degree, and here you have to see whether the application is direct or it is through uni assist. These are the two approaches. You can see that this is the one which is cost effective, but there are a lot of risks involved here. But this one is a bit smooth, you can say, but you have to spend some money in the private institutes while doing the language courses and foundation course. I hope the process is clear to you now and it will help you in your application process. If you like the video, please share it with your friends also, and I wish you a successful application process for German universities in your bachelor degree. Thank you again. Bye.